Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July 21st, 2020, and we're outside here, and we're collecting our Bok Choy seeds here. Now, we're using the Backyard Expressions beverage wash tub. I'll put a link down in the description for it, for collecting our seeds here. And what we were finding before is we used to do these like collecting our seeds on the table, and if the wind would blow, it would take off with the seed pods in the container. So we put them in the wash bin here, and we're breaking the seeds up on them. So these are your seeds right here, and these are mature seeds, and these here are the seed pod. You can see they're on the stems. The stems have been removed from the plants. And in here is a bunch of what you call chaff. And what chaff is the part of the seed pod that you discard, because you only want to keep the seeds out of these. And you can see the seeds are down in there. Now we'll collect those out of there, and we'll put them in an envelope and label them for storage. Now, when your plants are producing the seeds, what you want to do is you want to keep your plants alive. So you definitely want to make sure that you keep watering them. You don't want to let the plants die, because if the plants die, then the seed pods won't develop, or you'll have underdeveloped seeds, and then you won't have anything to plant. So this here variety is an heirloom variety, and I have two different varieties that I grow. One is the Purple Lady, and the other one I believe is pronounced Shoo-Hoo Baby. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll put the name on the video. But when you collect your seeds, you want to make sure that you're collecting from an heirloom variety, so that your seeds stay true to type. And you want to make sure that you're collecting seeds from one variety, because if you grow two different varieties, they'll cross back and forth. So just growing one variety to collect the seeds from, and then going ahead and growing the other variety, or letting that one go to seed, will help you ensure that your seeds don't cross. So any seeds, you can see they're falling down in here, and the tub is collecting them very nicely. And you can also just kind of break them up like this. You can see all the seeds falling out there. And that's another way that you can do them. See all the seeds down in here. Now, these plants give a lot of seeds. So you can share these. Go ahead and give them away to friends or family, and help share some heirloom varieties there. So we're going to get these all taken care of here, and we're going to get them then put in the bag and labeled. You can see a bunch of seeds in here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!